Today I have a Asus B1500C laptop, and this laptop problem is power is not turning on. Press it, not responding. Okay, power is not working. Plug in the charger and check it. Charger is plugging. Press it. No power. And charging LED is glowing. You can see. Not responding. Okay, let's fix this laptop, and I will show and I will give some basic information how we can solve this type of problem and how you can check where is the problem. Okay, let's start. Laptop is open, and this is the legs are NVMe SSD drive, and maybe here is a HDD 1 terabyte, and this is the motherboard. This is a onboard RAM. You can use the extra RAM if you want to increase the RAM capacity, and this is the processor, and this is the cooling fan. There is some dust. I will clean this. Let's plug in the charger. Charger is plugging, and here is the charging LED is glowing. Okay, check some common voltage of this laptop, and this one may be the 5 voltage. Check it, and here is the 5 voltage is okay. Okay, and this one 3.3 voltage, this inductor, and 3.30 voltage also okay. And this is the battery inductor, battery charging inductor. Here is voltage is available or not, and here is voltage also available, 12.61, and this voltage will be increased, and this is the charging voltage. Everything is okay. There is the power button, but not responding. And disconnect the charger and disconnect the battery. And 2 voltage we found okay, 3.3 voltage and 5 voltage, which is most important voltage of this circuit for running this. And randomly check some capacitor, this is okay or not. No short circuit, no short. Okay. No short circuit. No short circuit found. No. This one is positive, and this one is negative, and this one is positive. No short circuit here. Let's open the hard disk connection, and this is not necessary for turning on the laptop. I can open also the SSD tab. This is the common issue, and you can try this, and this is not necessary you to open, and sometimes hard disk and SSD drive shorted and power is not turned on. Here is some capacitor, check it. Okay, no issue. And I found this inductor voltage is okay, 5 voltage. That means here is a no short circuit. And this inductor for the 3.3 volt, here is also voltage okay. I did not found any short circuit here. And let's power up this. I open the SSD and HDD. Battery connection also disconnected, and SSD drive disconnected, HDD also. Plug in the charger. Here I plug in, and charging let it low. But not responding. Here is one important voltage. I have to be checked. Check the power switch voltage. Here is any power switch voltage is present or not. And here is also 3.2 volts present. That means it should be power up, but it's not working. I have to check, and you can see this, and battery connection is disconnected, and due to the battery disconnected, here is showing battery indicated. Okay, that means system also working, but power is not turned on. And here is a battery is disconnected, charger also disconnected. In this type of problem, sometime you have to press the power button for the 10 seconds. Okay, and after that plug in the charger. Let's see what happened. Charger is plugged in, and turn on the power. Yep, laptop is turned on, and you can see laptop is okay, and due to the hard drive is open, and that's the operating system is not running. And let's install it and check it. And this type of problems sometimes happening due to the system error, and maybe that also the same problem here. And I found all the voltage is okay, but it's not working. Okay, when I open the battery connection and charger connection, and I press the power button for the 10 seconds, and after then plug in the charger, it's working. Yeah, display has come, and system is okay, and you can see Windows is running, and battery is disconnected. That's why its battery is showing 0. Thanks for watching.